I'm teacher Jean Rose, and I am your teacher for today. And this is my family. This is the picture of my family. This is our baby. She is Timmy. And the one who is taking care of him is my mother. Mother feeds the baby every day. This is me, Cindy, and this is Timmy. Mother is taking care of us. She do taking care of us and cook food for us. She feeds us every day. Me and my brother Timmy are going to school every day. My father, who is the one working to earn money for us. And my mother is the one who is taking care for our baby and us. Sometimes the whole family goes to the church with my father, mom, Cindy, and the other one. Sometimes the full family goes to the vacation. This is mom, dad, Cindy, and Timmy. And during the night time, we are going to bed together. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Please like and share.